In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a section on your Wix website. Whether you're trying to streamline your website customization or simply need to replicate existing content for consistency, this is a handy skill to have in your toolkit. So let's dive right in and make it simple and easy for you. First things first, you'll want to get yourself logged into your Wix account and head over to your website's dashboard. It's the starting point for all your website building endeavors. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. This is crucial as you'll be navigating through various sections to achieve your goal. Now, when you're ready, you'll want to hover your cursor over the section you wish to duplicate. It's important to ensure you're on the accurate section, as duplicating mistakes can lead to untidy results. Hovering over the section should highlight it, giving you a visual cue that it's selected. It's quite intuitive, so trust your instincts here. Once you have your target section in sight, look for the More Actions icon. This icon typically resembles 3 vertical dots and is often synonymous with more options across many platforms. This icon will magically appear as you hover over your selected section. Give it a click and watch as a menu unfolds with a variety of options. Now, from the options presented to you in this drop-down menu, you'll want to select Duplicate. It's a straightforward choice and is usually labeled clearly for ease. Clicking on Duplicate will immediately create an exact copy of your chosen section, neatly placing it just beneath the original. It's a seamless process designed to save you time and make your workflow smoother. With that duplicate section now in place, you have the flexibility to modify it as needed without altering the original. This can be particularly useful for maintaining a cohesive look across your website while giving you room to experiment. It's a small but empowering feature that Wix offers to enhance your web building experience. As you familiarize yourself with this duplication process, you'll find it becomes second nature, allowing you to apply it across various sections of your website confidently. This not only saves you from starting from scratch each time, but also keeps your site aesthetically consistent and professional looking. So there you have it, a simple yet effective way to duplicate sections in Wix. This skill will surely enhance your website building efficiency, allowing you to focus more on creativity rather than repetitive tasks. Keep experimenting, keep creating, and enjoy every step of your website building journey. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.